What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here, and today I just want to talk you through how one of the presets was created in the AM Studio's Trance Bass Soundbank for Spire. The preset that I've chosen is sort of like an acid style bass line, so I'm just going to go through with how it's created and show you something that we can kind of change in there as well if you'd like to. So this is the pattern. I've just thrown a quick little simple pattern in there now. So just a simple pattern to kind of show you how it sounds. So what we've got here is just one oscillator. We've got a classic saw here, and I've pitched it down 2 octaves. We have 2 voices. Brought the detune down a little bit and brought the density up there a little bit more as well. I've pushed the width up a little bit. And then we've gone with the acid filter here on LP1. See here, and the resonance is quite highly boosted as well there as well. In terms of effects, we have a bit of phaser on there, no chorus, a little bit of delay, and a touch of plate reverb on there as well. In terms of the envelope shape, it's just the sustain fully up. Envelope 2, nothing, no LFOs on there. Now in envelope 3, we have the cutoff 1 mapped to this envelope 3. Now we've also got the amount all the way up. So what we could also do here is we could go to, for example, LFO 2, and we could, if I just play this for you so you can hear what I'm about to do. We could actually also map this to the envelope 3 amount. Envelope 3 amount 1, and we could turn this up a little bit, turn the rate down. Let me just loop this for you so you can hear it a little bit longer. So we could actually get a bit more movement in there as well. So you can create a little bit more movement with it there. In terms of anything else that's on this patch, is a pretty simple one, but still a nice sound nonetheless. I've brought up the X comp a little bit there, so you'll hear this. And that's one of the bass patches from this preset. If you want to check out the bank, I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.